Hello everyone, this is a session about phonetics. In this video, let us learn about phonetics. Before going to the different sounds, let us learn the meaning of phonetics first. The scientific study of speech sounds is called as phonetics. Yes, the scientific study of speech sounds is called as phonetics. So as we all know, there are 26 alphabets in English, but the sounds are 44 in number. The 44 sounds are divided into two categories, and they are vowel sounds and consonant sounds. So it is the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Now let us learn the categorization of these 44 sounds into different groups. Yes, the 44 sounds are again divided into two groups. They are the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. And the vowel sounds are 20 in number and the consonant sounds are 24 in number. The vowel sounds are again divided into two groups. They are monophthongs and diphthongs, and the monophthongs are 12 in number and the diphthongs are 8 in number. And the monophthongs are again divided into two groups. They are short vowel sounds and long vowel sounds. So the short vowel sounds are 7 and the long vowel sounds are 5. Now let us know the division or categorization of the consonant sounds. So there are totally 24 consonant sounds and they are divided into two groups. They are voiceless sounds and voiced sounds. So the voiceless sounds are 15 in number and the voiced sounds are 9 in number. Now let us learn the symbols of all the 44 vowel sounds with examples. Yes. So as we learned just now, there are 20 vowel sounds and the 20 vowel sounds are divided into two groups. There are 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. So now let us see the symbols of the monophthongs. And as we know, the 12 monophthongs are again divided into short vowels and long vowel sounds. So these are the short vowel symbols. Dear friends, we have to keep it in mind that whenever we write a sound, we have to write in between two slashes. That is, this is the letter I without any slashes, whereas this is the sound E. Whenever we write a sound, we have to write the sound in between two slashes. You can even find these symbols in dictionaries, that the symbols are written in two slashes. So whenever the symbol is found in two slashes, it denotes that it is a sound. Okay. So the short vowel sounds, I'll just read out these sounds once. This is the sound E. E. For example, the word ink. So where does this sound occur? So it occurs in the initial position. Ink. E-n-k. Ink. So the sound E occurs in the initial position. And the next sound is A. A. Example is egg. And the sound occurs in initial position. These sounds may also occur in the medial position. For example, beg. So in this word, the sound comes in the medial position, whereas even in this word, bit. So where does the sound come? The sound occurs in the middle. Okay, we'll move to the next sound. This is the first sound, E. Examples are ink and bit. And this is the sound A, and the examples are egg and beg. Now let's move to the next sound. This sound is A. A. So this is the way we write this sound. This sound is articulated as a. For example, apple. And this is the sound oo. Oo. So the word is put. So in this word, the sound occurs in the medial position. And the next sound is a. For example, up, up. So this is the symbol of the sound a. And the next sound is a, a. And the example is on, off, orange, etc. So in these words, this sound occurs in the initial position. And the next sound is a. This is the sound and it is named as schwa sound. It is the weakest sound among all the 44 sounds. This is the weakest sound. So we learn about this sound in the coming sessions in detail. So this sound is a, and the example is bout. About. So I'll read out the words with sound once again. E, ink, bit. A, egg. A, apple. O, put. A, up. O, on. A, about. So next, let's move to the long vowel sounds. So this is the long vowel sound. We can very easily identify the long vowel sounds. That is, when we write the sounds, when we write two dots next to the sound, it means that it is a long vowel sound. Means we have to drag it a little. So this is the sound E. So it is eat. Next it is oo. And the example is ooze. The next sound is ah. The example is art. The next word is and the example is earn. And the next word is caught. The sound is aw and the example is caught. So we'll read it once again. E, eat. Oo, ooze. A, art. Earn. Aw, caught. Yes, dear friends, these are the different 12 monotones. And in this session, let us learn about the first 4 monotones in detail. Yes. So dear friends, now let us learn about the different positions in which these sounds occur. Yes. In the session earlier we learned about these 4 sounds. So which are these 4 sounds? Yes, this is E, this is E, this is the sound A, and this is A. Let us learn some examples once again. E, in, ink, important, ill, bit, be, me, she, and we. And the next sound is E. So this is a long vowel sound, so we have to drag it a little. So it is eat, read, eagle, see, fee, beat. The next sound is A, egg, elephant, pen, bet, red. This is the past tense form, red. And this is the sound A. Examples are an, axe, bat, angle, at, and apple. Now let us know the position of these sounds. So in the word in which position does the sound occur? In the initial position. So it is in the initial. The word ink. Yes, you are right. It is in the initial position. Important. Yes, it is in the initial position. Ill. Initial. In the word bit, where does the sound occur? Yes, it is in the middle, so it occurs in the medial position. In the word be, me, she and we, the sound occurs in the final position. So you can see here, though the letter is E, but the sound is E. So here the sound is E. Let's go to the next sound. It is E. So here in the word eat, where does the sound occur? Is it initial or medial or final? Yes, it is initial position. Read. Yeah, it is medial position. You can see there is a sound R in the initial and D in the final. So in this word, the sound occurs in the medial position. Read. Read. Whenever you get confused, you have to pronounce the words again and again to find out the sound. Next it is eagle. So it is in the initial position. See. See. Where does the sound occur? In the final position. Because there are no other sounds next to that sound. Sound E. So it is in the final position. Next it is fee. Final position. And beat in the medial position. Now it is the sound A. In the word egg, it occurs in the initial position. Elephant, initial. Pen, medial. Bet, medial. And red, this is the past form, it is medial. Next it is the sound A. So in the word at, it is in the initial position. Axe, initial position. Bat, initial. Angle, initial. At, initial. And apple, initial. Yes, dear friends, to practice this, you have to select some words and you have to identify in which position these words are occurring. Yes, friends, as we have already learned the 4 sounds, that is E, E, A and A. Let us practice these words once again with an activity. So in this activity what you have to do is, you have to read the words and you have to circle the odd word out. So circle the odd word. The first one is in, ink, ill, ice, important. Once again I'll read. Please identify the odd word. In, ink, ill, ice, important. Yes, which is the odd word? Yes, it is ice. Because though the letter is the I, the sound also is I over here. But for all the other words, the letter is I and the sound is E. So the odd word is ice. The next one, ant, angel, axe, and. Which is the odd word? I'll read it once again. Ant, angel, axe, and. Yes, it is angel. Because here the sound is A. It's a diphthong. We'll be learning about this sound in the next session. In all the other words, it is the sound A. The word begins with the sound A. Whereas here, the word begins with the sound A. Now let's move to the next set of words. Egg, energy, effort, eagle. Egg, energy, effort, eagle. So, which is the odd word out? Yes, you are right. It is eagle. Because here the sound is E, whereas in all the other words it begins with the sound A. Let's move to the last set of words. Eat, eagle, each, exam. Eat, eagle, each, exam. So which is the odd word out? Yes, it is exam. Yes, dear friends, this is the practice session. Let's meet in the next video. Until that, please keep practicing these 4 sounds.